there's a place we've never seen that we have to find. From the sea to the sky and the dream, let it fly all together. Now let's give it a try. To the water and the fire, don't ever stop. Even if you fall, we'll find a way to the top. There's no reason to wait here, so why don't we just give it a shot? Memories will always be here inside. Today we will go where we decide. 1, 2, 3, let's reach for the sky. Days go by, but my dream will never die. My pocket holds the key for us. Every day we start anew, another chance and we know what to do. Don't hesitate, spread your wings and fly. Try, let's have a fight. Although the battle is done, we'll stay together now and on 3. We are best friends forever. On the day I believe, and today I believe, that's how we always get so far. A world we've never seen, a world for you and me is waiting for us now. Let's run, here we go. Let's go. Although we may fall down to our knees, let's go. We work together, great as a team, you and me. Let's go on together. Here I stand atop the mountain, it's a new day, but I stop and look around and can't find.
What's up, guys? Tonight we're drawing Shadowy Figure from OKKO. Let's Be Heroes. So he steals orbs, or whatever they're called, glowing orbs, from some kind of tree under the plaza. And, well, to the sky. If I cry, I know that you're by my side. Now we draw the scarf, back of his body. Wherever you go is enough for me. No time to breathe. Our adventure starts now. Why don't we go? And finish. That is how you draw a shadowy figure.